My name is Kayo Saito. I am a goldsmith, but a little bit different from traditional goldsmiths. My work is closely linked to nature and the environment, plants and other organic forms. I think their transient and beautiful delicate structure and their vital energy always inspired me. I worked with paper before. I liked the warmth and the delicate character of it. Maybe my background, the paper is very close to everyday life. I make my own tools to design unique finish, which is a traditional craft in Japan. When I make three-dimensional jewelry, the shade brings the form alive. When I am in the final stage of making pieces, it brings me many emotions: excitement, surprise, and fulfillment. This is why I am a maker.